Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and hope you're having a great start of this week. In this video, we'll take a look at Bitcoin at the start of this week. We had a relatively bullish start, actually. I mean, yesterday we were still very neutral, I would say. We had some bullish momentum and some bearish momentum. But after that, and you can see that on the 15-minute time frame, we actually did get some bullish momentum, at least during the night. I mean, it fell off in the morning, but still. Overall, the market structure in my eyes hasn't changed that much, though. And to be fair, we also did not get that much momentum or that much volume into the markets either. Volume did go up, as you can see, from around 8.5. Well, no, we actually went below 8 billion to 11 billion right now. But that's still compared to last week when we were around 13 billion. Still relatively low. So I still expect some movement to come in later today for Bitcoin. But that's what we'll talk about in this video. So before we dive into that, first of all, if you want to join my own Signal group in which I share all of my trades and also do updates on them. So if they hit stop loss or take profit, unlike other Signal groups, I just update it. I'm transparent in that. And apart from that, if you see my different background, I'm at my parents' house. So that's that's where I am right now. And if you see me twitching my eye or something, I have a bit of eye inflammation. I think that's the word in English. So my left eye is a bit watery, but yeah, it'll be all right. But let's get into Bitcoin for now. I was actually wrong yesterday because yesterday we went over the news, and I said that we would have an inflation rate. But that's, I believe, next week. This week we actually don't have that much of relevance. I mean, we have the PMI obviously today, which will make the market move a little bit. Tomorrow we have nothing. Wednesday we have the FOMC minutes, but that's also not that important. I don't think we'll see that much movement because of that. And then Thursday some more news, but overall not that much. It's at least not as interesting as the inflation rate would be. So yeah, pretty quiet week. That could also be an explanation for why the volume right now is still pretty low. Like I said, I still expect it to go up. But perhaps not that much. Perhaps we'll just go up to like 12, 13 billion until Wednesday. And then after the FOMC minutes, go up to like 15, 18. And then we'll see. But yeah, if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, market structure still the same. We had this bullish momentum. And now we're in some sort of consolidation. You could also call it a bullish flag. We went over that yesterday. Technically, that's correct. There's nothing wrong with calling this a bullish flag, because I also expect us to, at some point of time, that will break out of this consolidation, which right now mainly really is between 31,000 and 30,900. And then as our support, we have 29,700. So yeah, we have this consolidation right now. At some point of time, I think we'll be able to break above our main resistance right here at 31,400. Break above that, find resistance at 32,000, take a bullish break retest. And at this point of time, my price target is 35,000. I think that's realistic if you, and that's mainly based on all of the fundamentals we have right now, which are fairly bullish, I would say. But to be honest, I mean, before I forget, so I'm introducing it to you now, I actually wanted to talk about a different scenario as well. But yeah, right now, given all of the fundamentals right now, so assuming that the ETFs will be accepted and stuff, I think that's the most likely scenario. It's also in line with the market over the last 6 months. We've always had some sort of a pattern, and that would mean that we would go up to 35,000. Currently, I don't think we'll get that bullish breakout soon. I mean, historically, the last time we did a move like this, we consolidated here for like 21 days. I believe it was when I looked at it this morning. So we're not there yet. I still expect some consolidation, and then perhaps after a big event like the FOMC minutes or the ETFs being accepted, perhaps then we can actually get that bullish breakout and that move up to our price targets. Now, I did want to introduce a different kind of scenario, which at this point of time I do not assume will happen, but it's a possibility. And that is if the ETFs, first of all, right now the dollar strength index is quite bullish. So that's bearish for Bitcoin. All right, so that's the first thing that's already kind of going against my analysis, to be fair. But on the other hand, if this continues to happen and the ETFs also do not pass, like they will get rejected, then we could actually have a very big move down to this level, at least at around 28,500. And getting back from that will be tough. It's a possibility, but it will be tough. It's a very strong support level. This is definitely a level where I would buy Bitcoin, or at least trade it short term. But yeah, so that's a possibility. Perhaps I'll dive more into that about that tomorrow, because this video is getting pretty long. But yeah, so just wanted to introduce that to you. Under certain circumstances, that's possible. Not what I expect for now. But that's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.